What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce Chardonnay and where are you going to find some of the best Chardonnay wines in the world. Well, Chardonnay originates from France, from Burgundy, and it is still there that some of the best Chardonnay wines are made in great villages, famous villages such as Meursault, Puligny-Montrachet, Chassagne-Montrachet, as well as Chablis, some Grand Cru sites such as Corton-Charlemagne. You're also going to be finding some delicious Chardonnays around Beaune, but of course, fantastic Chardonnays are made in California, Napa Valley, Sono County, on the central coast. You'll also find fantastic Chardonnays in Australia, in New Zealand, and virtually all around the world. Chardonnay is also broadly used in Champagne, France, where you are going to be finding some Blanc de Blanc 100% Chardonnay wines. And that's essentially it. So how do you go about pronouncing Chardonnay? With the typical French pronunciation, Chardonnay. Chardonnay. But it'd be fine in English to say Chardonnay. Chardonnay. Do not insist on the A, on the Y too much. Do not say Chardonnay, but it's simply Chardonnay. 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 I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.